What does the future of driving look like? The future is not about driving, but about being driven. Introducing Faves, an amalgamation of IoT telematics, deep learning, quantum AI, blockchain, and Blockstack DApp. With Spherity's identity platform and Digioti's autonomous AI and DL platform, fleets can auto-allocate themselves in areas of high or low demands. The overall engine is extended to a distributed ledger framework that enables smoother autonomous transaction registry using smart contracts upon passenger pickup and end of ride. These transactions are all stored in a blockchain back-end. With DApp, fleets are triggered to carry out autonomous transactions at an individual fleet level, rationalizing the demands continuously. In the autonomous world, we understand advanced passenger safety is critical. And using our custom AI engine, where system hack can be quickly tamed and negated, ensuring fleets are safe and resilient.